Hi, this is George at Blackburn Audi, and today I'll be taking you on a walk round of this approved used Audi A1 Sportback, presented here in sport specification with the 25 TFSI 95 PS engine and slick 5-speed manual gearbox. This A1 is finished in the gorgeous Pearl Effect Arrow Grey paint finish, and one of the key exterior features is the rear parking sensors, allowing you to easily manoeuvre even into those tighter spaces. There's also the striking LED headlights, illuminating the road ahead in all sorts of conditions, while it sits on the stylish 16-inch 10-spoke turbine design alloy wheels, and there's the eye-catching dynamic rear indicators making you stand out on the road. As you can see, this A1 boasts a relatively large and spacious boot for a car of this size, with 335 litres of capacity, plenty of space for your everyday needs, such as weekly shopping, a work bag and gym bag for example. In the rear interior, there's the rear seats, finished in the funky granite grey Novum cloth, which look absolutely superb and feel really comfortable and supportive as well, whilst they feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points, meaning you can easily and safely secure child seats in the back. And the front interior is even more impressive, with the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel finished in black leather, alongside the slate grey polygon structure inlays, which help to really refine the look of this interior, and the really comfortable and supportive front sport seats, perfect for those longer journeys. This A1 also features the optional technology pack, which provides you with the Audi Virtual Cockpit display, where you can access useful displays such as the onboard computer or satellite navigation, while it allows you to easily adjust the cruise control as well. And in the centre there's a 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display, where you can access all the usual features you'd expect in the car of this calibre, like the DAB digital radio, external media connectivity and telephone connectivity, whilst as a benefit of the technology pack there's the built-in satellite navigation. Meanwhile, there's also wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can make the most out of apps optimised for use in the car. Just below there's the easy-to-use controls for the air conditioning, a couple of USB Type-C ports so you can easily charge your phone whilst on the go, the slick 5-speed manual gear shifter, and a couple of cup holders as well. Thank you for watching this walk around video. If you're interested in this A1 or would like to know more, please go to the description below and give the number listed a call, or alternatively click the link and make an online inquiry now.